Okay, these two tools here are used for replacing schrader valves. The one on the right, this one is a close-up of the one that did not work for me. It was not long enough to reach the schrader valve. This one though did work for me. This was for a 2004 Acura TSX. Here are the two replacement schrader valves for the high and the low, and here I'm showing you a video of how to replace it. You simply stick the screwdriver in, twist it to the left, unscrew it, put the new one in, just drop it right in the hole and twist it right into the right. Don't over tighten it. Again, this is for a 2004 Acura TSX.
Low on the ace.